Hello everyone, June Boom is here. If you don't know, I am Darmeshia West, independent beauty consultant with Mary Kay, and this is one of the greatest promotion of the year that I promote, June Boom. So here are today's specials. So I know you may be receiving this video later than the time frame because I have another JOB, but anyway, trying to do my $1,000 day. So the specials are 20% off everything in stock. So every item that I have in stock, 20% off. So if you are a loyal customer, I got you 20% off. Also, for the month, the whole month of June now, not just today, the whole month of June is 20% off all skincare sets. That's whether it's in stock or ordered, if I have to order it. All right, so if you own the skincare set, Time Wise Repair, which I use, with the 20% off, you will save $43. That's just an example. So now's the time to stock up on your skincare sets. Also 10% off everything ordered today. So just say if you randomly ordered something, 10% off, or you're not anything. It could be an eyeliner, eyeshadow, whatever. 10% off if for that as well. Also, free gifts with every $50 spent. So I'm offering free gifts. Lip balms, lip liners, eyeliners, eyeshadow, blush, and hand creams. So you can order this by calling me or texting me. My number is 256-542-8767, or you can visit my website, which is www.marykay.com/my name, Darmeshia West. That's DARMESHIAWEST. So this is for today and it runs into tomorrow. But because you're late and you need more time to think of, guess what? I still will honor your 20% off because I'm just now getting off my other JOB to make this video. So June Boom is here. I'm trying to do $1,000 for today. I appreciate any order, small or big, will help me out. So if you need anything, have any questions, you can create your own bundle, however you want to do it. Just let me know. Looking forward to serving you. You have a great afternoon. Thank you. Bye-bye.